Downwind's good, and our traffic is good. Okay. All right. Skyport traffic, Diamond Star 104, Juliet Alpha, taking off runway 35.
Skyport traffic, Sport Cruiser 127, Bravo Foxtrot, go around 35 Skyport.
Go around. Okay, they're good distance away. Confirm we see 35.
Skypark traffic, Cessna 5105, Mike holding short 35 Skypark. 5 Skypark.
Alright, past the yellow, heels on the floor, full throttle. Everything's good in the green. We've got airspeed. There's our nose.
Skyport traffic, Cruiser 135, Bravo Foxtrot, holding short 35, number 2, Skyport.
Waiting for 66, and we're off. And there's birds crossing the runway.
Skypark traffic, Cessna 5105, Mike lining up 35 Skypark.
They didn't make a radio call that those birds were crossing.
Skypark traffic, Jack 90, any form, east
Birds didn't make a call.
At 5,600 inbound for Skypark traffic. Skypark traffic, Sport Cruiser 127, Bravo Foxtrot, right downwind 35 Skypark.
Alright, maintaining VY, light off, fuel pump off, flap full forward, prop back to 24. Oh, that was
You
weird.
can go ahead and turn right now,
Okay.
so we can cut in front of this guy.
Okay.
We'll just keep a tighter pattern. That way we can get a lap in or so.
Okay.
Let's make your call.
Skypark traffic, Diamond Star 104, Juliet Alpha on right crosswind for runway 35. Had to remember if it was
Skypark
left or
traffic,
right
Cessna
today.
5105, Mike rolling runway 35, northbound departure, Skypark.
Beautiful Southfield.
Thank you.
No notes. It was
Ooh.
beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. We're still good with this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Not quite to pattern altitude yet. Skypark traffic, Diamond Star 104, Juliet Alpha on right downwind for runway 35. Okay, just about there. Start pulling this guy back. Man, it's smooth. I'm like not used to it today. Right.
Skypark traffic, Sport Cruiser 127,
And on days like this,
right base
if the aircraft's tripped out, you really don't even have to touch anything.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Look slowly do prop forward.
Crossing from the east to the west on the north end.
Okay, we're good there.
Skypark traffic, Jack 370 uniform is going to be entering the 45 for a downwind on 35. Skypark traffic.
Start our descent here now that we're about halfway. A little less throttle. BMR spot below 108, first notch of flaps. Watching the balloon.
Skypark traffic, Jack 370 uniform, turning downwind 35 for a touch and go. Skypark traffic. Skypark traffic, Sport Cruiser 127, Bravo Foxtrot on final 35, touch and go, Skypark.
Not looking at the billboard, but looking for 45. Start our base turn.
Also with the traffic, right?
Oh, yep.
You're okay. We got plenty of space, but
Okay.
just remember, don't forget about the traffic, okay?
Did they have a base call? I feel like I didn't.
I don't know if I heard it or not,
Okay.
but they didn't make a final call. I know that for sure.
Skypark traffic, Diamond Star 104, Juliet Alpha on right base for runway 35. Do second notch of flaps below 91.
Southfield, right?
Yep.
All right.
A little touch of throttle. Start our turn to final. A little bit more since we're getting slow. Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 104 Juliet Alpha on final for runway 35. Don't get too fast. Are a little low.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile.
There are people on the runway.
We should be okay there exiting.
Okay.
Skybar traffic, Sky 293 form, turning right base, 35, touch and go, Skybar traffic. Skybar traffic, Sport Cruiser 127, Bravo Foxtrot, clear 35, Sky Park.
That nose up.
Sky Park traffic, Cessna 5105, Mike, Centerville interchange, 5,500 northbound, Sky Park.
Okay, as long as the nose doesn't touch.
Yep, nose
Alright,
is
go
up.
full throttle.
Okay,
Let's
full
go.
throttle. You got my flaps. Misjudged my distance there.
It's okay.
59.
Just when you started to flare out, I would have started blocking that throttle back as well. We kept it in a little too long.
Oh, just a two, okay.
Final 35, touch and go.
Because you flared out, you were level with the ground, and then you had that power in.
Okay, okay.
And then don't just slowly get that nose a little bit more up, okay?
Okay.
We just need to get the nose up like we're doing a soft field takeoff.
Right,
That's how we want to land, so that way you don't even have to worry about
Right.
the nose touching.
right. Honestly, I thought I had another, like, foot, but no.
Yeah. Other than that, it was great. Like, beautiful approach. Just be careful when we get too low. Remember, pitch is the biggest thing, right? If we need to get back up, slowly increase that pitch, get back, and then get back on that stabilized descent.
Got it, okay.
Okay?
And you let
We'll
up,
do
you
another
pump
lap.
off. Okay.
We'll try it again, soft field. It's just like a normal landing. Only difference, we're really utilizing that flare, keeping that nose up, touching down softly.
Yep.
And then we're holding that nose up.
Okay. Start our turn. I've noticed when I pull this back, it goes up and down.
Skybar
Yeah.
traffic, Cruiser 135, Bravo Foxtrot, lining up 35.
Definitely gonna bring it up
Close
today.
contact, Sky Park.
Okay. Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 104 Juliet Alpha, turning right crosswind for runway 35.
Sky Park traffic, Piper 86 Sierra is taxiing.
Oh, you can't hear that guy at all.
Nope. I heard something taxi.
Yep. It's about all
I
I
love
hear, too.
different radios. It's great when you go to other places too, because then you hear people with accents and you're like, what?
What?
What are you talking about?
Like, who are you?
Who the heck is this guy?
Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 104 Juliet Alpha on right downwind for runway 35. So we'll be here, do landing light on, fuel pump on, slowly do prop full forward.
Sky Park traffic, fuel truck crossing runway, Alpha 4.
Definitely hear that guy.
Sky Park traffic, Cessna 5105, Mike, just west of Lagoon, westbound 5,500, Sky Park. Sky Park traffic, Sky 293 form, turning crosswind 35, close pattern, Sky Park traffic. Sky Park traffic, fuel truck clear.
Hunter Echo Alpha, 5 miles east of the airfield, setting up for left downwind runway 7.
Sky Park traffic, Piper 86 Sierra.
Yeah, is like everyone stepping on each other? Or it's just,
Well, that last radio call, that was somebody from a different airport.
Oh, okay.
Because Wendover, they have 122.8. Trying to think of what other airports. There's a couple others that use 122.8.
Okay.
Like I think Logan is 122.8 as well.
Wait,
So sometimes you'll pick up frequencies from other airports and you're like, what?
what?
That's why we specify what traffic, right?
Yeah, okay.
Or at least that's how I was taught.
Yeah, that makes sense. Get more spot here.
Sky Park traffic, Cruiser 135, Bravo Foxtrot, right crosswind 35, Sky Park.
Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 104 Juliet Alpha on right base for runway 35. Okay, below 91, second notch of flaps. Looks like our runway is clear. Just a touch fast.
Sky Park traffic, tide crossing the north end from west to east.
What?
Target's clear of the track.
Hey, he's hard to see.
Yeah, I can't see anyone.
He's right in front of maintenance, but...
Sky Park traffic, Piper 860 will be departing the pattern to the north.
Sky Park traffic, Diamond 104 Juliet Alpha on final for runway 35. Good, get over a little bit. Ignore the poppy.
Skypark traffic, Sky Connect 370 form, turning right base, straight 5, full stop, Skypark traffic.
Throttle, round out.
Slowly increase that nose, get it up. Up more, up more, up more, up more. Hey, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep that nose up.
Okay, nose is
Alright,
up.
keep it up, go full throttle, soft field takeoff.
Throttle. Full throttle, right rudder. Down.
Skypark traffic, Sky Connect 370 form, turning final 35, full stop, Skypark traffic.
Woo! Wow!
How did that feel?
So good.
Right?
So good.
How was that landing?
So
That was
good I could cry.
Oh my gosh, yes. That's what we want. Every time.
Oh
Yes.
my god.
That's a soft field right there. You barely couldn't even tell that we landed.
Woo!
Now you see how we slowly kept increasing that nose?
Yeah.
That's what we want, right?
Okay.
We keep coming in flat, but that one, lock that one in, right?
Yep.
Nice, smooth, gradually flare.
We're turning final for 17, full stop.
And
Yes.
the GoPro was working.
Skypark traffic,
so
Cruiser
thank God.
135.